In this video, you'll learn how to set due dates for tasks within Trello checklists. By the end of this guide, you will be able to effectively manage your tasks by assigning specific deadlines. Begin by navigating to the Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Trello URL. Once the homepage loads, you will see a grid layout of your boards, which is where you will continue your task. Next, locate the section labeled Boards on the left sidebar. Click on this option to view all of your created boards. This will display a list of boards you have access to, including any shared ones. After that, select the board where you want to create your checklist. Click directly on the board and it will open up, revealing all existing cards and lists. Ensure that you are in the correct board before proceeding. Now find the button labeled Add a Card within your selected board. It is usually located at the bottom of the list. Click this button to initiate the creation of a new card for your tasks. Type in the title of the card that will represent your checklist. This title should be descriptive enough for you to identify the task easily. Once you have entered the title, proceed to the next step. Click on the Add Card button to save the newly created card. This action will add the card to your board and you will see it appear among your other cards. Next, locate the newly created card and click on it to edit its contents. This will open the card, allowing you to make further modifications. Once the card is open, look for the checklist option within the card interface. Click on this to add a checklist to your card, which will help organize your tasks. After that, click on the Add Checklist button that appears. This will prompt you to name your checklist, which you can customize according to your needs. Click on the field labeled Title to enter a name for your checklist. This will help you identify the checklist later. Once you've named it, proceed to add it by clicking the Add button. Type in an item for your checklist in the provided input field. This item represents a task that needs to be completed and ensure that each item is clear and actionable. Next, click on the Add button to save this checklist item. After adding, you will see it listed under your checklist within the card. Now click on the Assign button to assign this checklist item to a specific team member. This is useful for delegating tasks effectively. Then click on the due date option within the card settings. This will allow you to select a deadline for the checklist item you just created. Choose a date from the calendar that appears. Confirm your selection to set the due date for the task, which will help you keep track of deadlines. If you would like to create checklists on Trello cards yourself, I placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.